The double-door swing-out refrigerator from the LG Diamond Collection showcases a new modern look and feel with an innovative new coating which helps to protect and preserve the exterior of your refrigerator. LG's black stainless steel will enhance your overall kitchen experience. Regular stainless steel can leave unsightly streaks and fingerprints. Cleaning stainless steel can be a multi-step process that relies on chemical cleaners, sprays, and polishes, which can be time-consuming. LG's premium finish, resistant to smudges and hard stains, saves you this time and trouble of cleaning with just a few wipes with a towel or cloth, while helping to preserve the beautiful grains of stainless steel. LG's black stainless steel will always look sleek and stylish. To clean, all you need is a damp or dry paper towel or soft cloth. You can easily wipe away fingerprints and stains. To remove tougher food stains, or to sanitize the exterior of your refrigerator, use a non-abrasive multi-surface cleaner. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.